Having a patio improves your home's curb appeal. In several places, housing is judged on the home exterior design. If your house does not have a patio, it will hurt the value of your property and thus decrease its curb appeal for potential buyers. For this reason, you should insist on having a well-designed patio for your home. When done professionally, your patio will improve your home's curb appeal. Adding a patio to your home design is one of the best things that can happen to it. It gives you more space for activities as well as adds value to your house. In addition, if designed correctly, it brings into play an extra feature that boosts the appeal of the whole property. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of patio furniture and pergola design ideas and backyard garden landscaping ideas for your garden decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Patios give you more privacy than balconies. Your home's privacy directly affects how much you enjoy your outdoor space. Some homes, like townhouses and duplexes, are built very close together with little privacy between neighbors. Other houses may be surrounded by dense trees or shrubbery that blocks the view of passers-by. Vitamin D is only metabolized naturally when you are exposed to the sun. If you don't have a nice outdoor living area, you're not going to spend much time outside. A patio or porch gives you a comfortable place to soak up some rays and get more vitamin D. While these natural barriers can provide some privacy naturally, it is still essential to consider ways to improve upon them when adding structure, like a patio, to your home design. On balconies, people on other floors might have an easier time seeing into your house than if they were standing directly across from your windows because there isn't any railing blocking their line of sight. However, this issue does not exist on patios since most patios don't include bars, and the lack of walls surrounding your patio gives you a much greater sense of privacy than balconies. Do you want to host a barbecue? How about having a few friends over for drinks and roastings and more? These kinds of activities are easier if you have a patio or porch, because you have plenty of room for people to spread out. You can enjoy pickup games of your favorite backyard sports while sitting around on your patio furniture enjoying great conversation, and keep your home's interior protected at the same time. Meals enjoyed outdoors, conversations around a patio table, and time together as a family are all benefits of having a patio or porch. Patio additions are an inexpensive way to make over any room in your house, and they don't have to cost very much money at all. You can put up some outdoor curtains or lighting around the area to create more ambience with minimal effort. By doing this, you get all of these benefits without spending too much time decorating, which is what makes patios so popular among homeowners today. Your home having a patio is a huge benefit, especially when you host your family and friends. This provides you with the opportunity to spend time together with your loved ones. Patios offer a space where you can just sit outside and enjoy the nice weather while you bond with your family and friends. It doesn't matter if it is small or big, invest in adding a patio in your home so that you can have adequate space to entertain your guests. Patios are the best addition to a home that regularly entertains guests. Having an outdoor space where people can gather and spend time together is a huge benefit of adding a patio to your home. Patios are a place where you can entertain guests. It's perfect for sitting outside, taking in the environment, enjoying nice weather, and spending time with loved ones. Even small patios are great for entertaining. You can decorate, invest in patio furniture, and even find a place for a grill so you can host dinners, cookouts, and more. Patios extend the latest living space in your home. You can enjoy the view of your backyard even during rainy days provided you enclose the patio. There's also the option of leaving it open and letting it be an extension of your home. Sometimes patios and landscape designs additions can be used to add more rooms to your home, such as kitchens, bedrooms, etc. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked patio furniture and pergola design ideas and backyard garden landscaping ideas for your garden decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.